Hi everybody, today we're going to practice a strategy of using a number line to help us solve addition problems. To follow along with me today, you'll need your number line template inside of a plastic sleeve with a whiteboard marker. So go ahead and press pause to get those things, and when you're ready, come on back and hit play. Okay, so it's been a while since we've actually used number lines. When we used them before earlier in the year, we were practicing one more and one less and counting. But we haven't practiced them yet with using addition. Let's do a quick warm up and just count on the number line to get our brains warmed up a little bit. So put your finger on the 0, and here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great. Now I'm going to teach you the strategy for using the number line to help us add. We're going to use a spinner to help us pick our numbers, and then we're going to fill in the number sentence first. So we'll put our first number here, and then our second number. This circle is here because we're going to do addition today, so we can actually just put our plus sign right in there and leave that there the whole time. But another day we're going to use subtraction, so we wanted to be able to do both using the same paper. Okay, so I'm going to spin the spinner. And I got the number 4. So let's go ahead and write the number 4. And then I'm going to spin again. And this time I got the number 3. So let's write the number 3. Now you might already know the answer to 4 plus 3, but today our job is to learn how to use the number line to help us. Later on, we might practice some higher numbers, and then the number line will be a little bit more helpful if this fact is already automatic in your brain. Here's how you use a number line to help you add. I look at my first number, I see the 4, and I put a dot on the number line right on that number. Next, I look at the second number, the 3. That tells me how many hops I'm going to take. So I'm going to go back to where I made my dot and take 3 hops to add on 3 more. So here I go. 1, 2, 3. The number I ended on was the number 7. That tells me that 4 plus 3 equals 7. Let's go ahead and try another one. I'm going to erase my 4 and my 3 and my 7 and my hops, but I'll keep my plus sign since we're only doing addition today. Okay, I'm going to spin again. All right, this time I got a 6. Here, I'll show you. Well, it moved a little bit. It was a 6. Now I'll spin again to get the second number. And I got a 6 again. 6 plus 6. So same thing, I'm going to start by putting a dot on the 6. And then this number tells me how many hops to take. So I'll take 6 hops. Go ahead and hop with me, starting at the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Okay, let's try another one. Erase the numbers and the hops. Okay, this time I spun my spinner and I got the number 2. Let's write a 2. And then we'll spin again. This time I got a 9. Okay, with this one I want to show you a different way that you could do your hops, and it's up to you, whatever works best. If for you it works best to just always put your dot on the first number, you can do it that way every single time. One way to be a little bit quicker is to think about which number is bigger. So when I look at my 2 and my 9, I know that the number 9 is bigger. So I'm actually going to put my dot on the number 9 and take 2 hops because it'll be a little faster. I'll show you both ways, but let's start with that way. So let's put our dot on our 9. And now we'll take 2 hops. When we're adding, it doesn't matter what number what order we add the numbers in. It's the same every time. So I'm starting at 9, and now I'll take 2 hops. 1, 2. 9 plus 2 equals 11. I'm going to use a red marker to show you what it would have looked like if I started with the number 2 and then made 9 hops after that. So start with the number 2, and now hop 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both ways I end on the number 11, 2 plus 9 equals 11, 9 plus 2 equals 11, but it just is a little bit quicker, more efficient if I start on the bigger number because I have less hops to take. Okay, let's try one. This time I'm just gonna make up the numbers and we'll see how we can use this when the numbers get a little bit bigger. This time, let me get my black marker. Let's do 8 plus 7. This is a fact that you probably don't have permanent in your brain yet, and that's okay. So we can use the number line to help us solve. The 8's the first number and it's bigger, so let's put our dot on the number 8. And now we'll hop 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. You are doing a great job practicing using a number line to help you add. Today, now that we're done practicing together, you're going to get your math workbook and go to page 2. And on page 2 in your math notebook, there's lots of practice for you to do with using a number line to help you add. After you do these, if you want more practice or if you want to practice bigger numbers where your answer, your sum is more than 10, then you can make up any problems that you want using your number line template. Let us know if you have any questions. Families, let us know if you need help with this in any way. Mrs. James and I are just an email or a text away. Have a great day.